Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to number 4 over number 2, or we can put about number 2 in here. And later that I will use about sine t. So if we put this one go in here, we have 4 sine t square, number 16. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dx equal to number 2 cosine t dt. So this one I will put in here. Dx we change by this one. So this one we have 4 sine t square. So number 4 and number 4 we have 16. Next, number 16 we can do about factorization. So 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square. And this one we have 4 cosine t. Number 4 and number 2 we have number 8. Cosine t we have cosine t square. And now we have the formula in here. Cosine t square equals to cosine 2t plus 1 over number 2. So I will put this one go in here. So number 8 divided by number 2, we have number 4. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And now we have t equals to arc sine of s over 2. And now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.